Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Stevensville, or 13 miles west of St. Joseph, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, Fairplain, Benton Heights, Bridgman, Water Lake, Coloma, Stevensville, Paw Paw Lake, Lake Michigan Beach, Shorewood Tower Hills Harbor, Sodas, Riverside, Baroda, Shoreham, Eau Claire, Sphinx Corners, and Millburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 13 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berrien, Michigan. This is NOAA.
Oh, what a surprise, what a surprise.
South Bend.